morning, everyone. It's Dr. Morales and Linda Marquez.
Hi, guys.
My partner in crime, patient coordinator. So, topic of the week today is how to pick the right size breast implant. Extremely common question you'll come across on all plastic surgery forums and real self. Patients will call Linda and ask, it's one of the top questions we get. So, if we're going to consider breast augmentation, most of the time, the recommendation would be a breast implant for the augmentation. And so I'm gonna run through like a general expectation of what we have for consultation, because it's multiple factorial on how to pick the right implant that's gonna meet your desires and also meet your body requirements. So that's what we talk about. First, we kind of have a discussion about what do you want out of the look. What do you want to look like? Do you want to look very natural? Do you want to look very augmented?
Mm-hmm.
It's really up to you. What your current cup size is, and then kind of get a sense of where you want to be. And if you have photo galleries you reviewed before, or pictures you've seen on the internet, whatever you like to look like, those are kind of things I need to get out of you. The next part is we get a quick examination. I get measurements of your chest and your breast, and that gives me an idea of what the space is that an implant can live, what the maximum space is, and also the skin quality, and if your skin's really tight, or if it's too loose, and things can also need to be adjusted with that as well. But those are two key components of what you want out of it, and also the anatomy of your body. And from then, we have the fun part, and I'll let Linda talk about that.
This is like the super fun part, and you guys that have been here for consults know that I really enjoy doing this part, which is the sizing system that we use, which is something like this. And so we try that on, and we start low and then we go up until you feel comfortable, basically. And most patients enjoy that. They enjoy seeing their body with those leaflets on and seeing what they're gonna look like. So.
Yeah. So it's an external system. It's designed to recreate what you should expect from us, a volume of a round implant, which is a round implant like this. But the leaflet system can be stacked, and so we stack these up, and you can just increase the volume of the shape you look. So you can see yourself live in a mirror, and then it'll kind of show you exactly what you look at, different angles. If you have a significant other wants to come along, it's pretty fun for them too.
It's very helpful, so helpful.
You really get an idea, three-dimensional of what you're gonna be in. And then I'll come in and kind of give my blessing. Or if you're just way too big, I'll just tell you, you need to bring it back down.
Calm down.
So bring it down into something a little more, my idea is more proportionate. And first of all, it needs to fit your body. And if you want to be very augmented, that's fine. And I'll do it, but you're not twist my arm really hard, because there are some, higher risk of certain complications associated to large implants. So that's the idea. And then after that, I'm now offering a new virtual kind of imaging software that I'm doing for breast surgery specifically. There's also some body contouring well. But what I do is I'm gonna scan you with the camera that I have, and I'm gonna show a video on that later, but I scan your body and it gets in a three-dimensional model. And then I'm able to, augment your body with different implants. I have every catalog of breast implants loaded into the system. So I can start just popping different type profiles, brands, cohesive, all of it. I can change everything. It just was really a touch of the mouse. And you can really see it before and after in 3D. You can rotate the body mold, and you can see the different, a simulation of what you may look like. So we're really excited to introduce that to the consultation and to give patients as far as an expectation of a result. So that's a general gist of idea of how to pick the right size implant for you. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for following.